Welcome to the Benny's Car Wash training program in VR360. Let's learn about the closing crew positions. Our car wash operation is pretty complex, as you can imagine. We have a big team with a lot of moving parts. The end of the day is very important for us. The closing team will really help make or break the next day. On our closing team, we have a closer, who is the closing manager, Closer 1, which is a manager in training, and Closer 2. Let's walk through what each person on this 3-person team is responsible for. Let's start with the closer or the closing manager. Before you let the afternoon shift leave for the day, you must have them complete the following list. All trash emptied. All vacuums functioning. All trash swept up. Break room and customer waiting area cleaned, including the bathrooms. All belt equipment cleaned and put away. Towels washed, bottles filled. Check out the tunnel equipment and tunnel walkthrough. Handshake with closing manager prior to punching out. This is important. Before crew can leave for the day, you must look that employee in the eye and give them a handshake out. They need to know that you expect this. You as the manager, it's your opportunity to know this person is done and is tagging out for the day. It's also a great time to thank them for all the hard work that they have put into the day. We all get busy throughout the day, and this high five moment is more important than you think. Starting at 6 p.m., as volume permits, you will begin to start cleaning up for the day. Now, from 6 to 8:30, Closer 2 will be working the auto sentries, helping customers, and Closer 1 will be guiding cars on the conveyor. Closer 1 is guiding cars, and as volume permits, you will scrub the tunnel with a brush. Make sure there are no hoses or cords in the tunnel. It's very dangerous with all of the spinning equipment. Also at this time, perform your hourly walkthrough. Closer 2 will wipe down the auto sentries and clean prep buckets, as well as do an hourly walk through the vacuum area, checking suction on each vacuum nozzle and picking up any trash as needed. This should be done in 10 minutes or less. At 8:30 p.m., as volume permits, we will start the final cleaning schedule. Here is our final checklist for Closer 1 and Closer 2. Pull the cones in front of conveyor and auto sentries and lock gates down. Push E-stop. Turn off the free vacuums. Clean the tunnel. Sweep all the trash from the tunnel and clean the floor with the broom as well. Pressure wash walls and floors into the pit. Should have been scrubbed already. Pressure wash equipment, top to bottom, should have been scrubbed already. Wipe all the blower bags with a wet towel. Pressure wash top brush equipment and blower motor housing. Clean and dry the windows inside the tunnel. Pressure wash the grates and the conveyor. Final walkthrough looking and listening for airs, hydraulic, or water leaks. Check for anything out of place, anything needing immediate cleaning or attention. Check the facility for overall cleanliness. Then leave any notes for the opening manager. Clock out, set area alarm 2, and lock guider booth. Lastly, a handshake with the closing manager. Closer 2. Here's your final to-do list for the day. Complete any additional cleaning tasks assigned by the manager. Empty bug prep buckets and clean. Wipe down all green and yellow poles and signs. Pick up trash from ground on entire site. Clean out bushes and remove trash. Empty and clean all ashtrays. Wipe windows of building and guider, greeter, and manager booth. Clean out free vacuums and vacuum area. Clean each filter with the brush. Wipe down vacuum canisters. Wipe down vacuum hose and nozzles. Empty free vacuum trash cans, replace bags. Lastly, you guessed it, a final handshake with the closing manager. Thanks for watching.